Sorry, today we're gonna review this Riviera palette that everyone's talking about right now. This palette came in today. I ordered this palette the day it came out online, which was March 4th at 9. There I was at 9 a.m. checking this out. I did pay for the 2-day shipping, but there was a delay. I don't know what happened, but it's alright. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. So this is what it looks like. And it feels, the packaging, it feels like a jean material. This is actually my first Anastasia eyeshadow palette. I never get any of their palettes just because they're always really neutral shades, and I feel like I have enough neutral shades, you know? I love colorful palettes. So anything that's different, I want to get it. And of course, this palette is different. The shades right here. As you can see, there are a few brighter shades as well as some neutrals. Alright guys, let's go ahead and create a look. Let's see what this palette has to offer us. Just check this little thing off. Alright, I've seen everyone online use this hot pink and I really want to try it out. So let's give it a try, okay? I'm getting this brush that came with the palette. So we're actually going to go in with Coastline. This one right here. Actually, we're going to go in with MAC Painterly Paint Pot first. And you guys know what MAC Painterly Paint Pot looks like by now. So I'm just going to apply it. I'm really excited to dig in that paint because it's like what I'm mostly excited about. It's been a while since I've done a colorful look. I feel like I'm always doing like rustic type shades these days. I did my full face of makeup already just because I don't want to look super crazy right now. Alright guys, our lids are already primed. Now we're going to go in with Coastline using the brush that it came with. So we're just going to, ooh, quite a lot of fallout actually. We're just going to apply that all over the crease. I hope there's not too much fallout on these because I already have my full makeup on. So far it's pretty blendable. Now we're gonna go in with the fun stuff. Let's go in with Monte Carlo. This one right here. And we're gonna apply that on the crease. Just like that. Ooh. I like how it doesn't look that bright on this, but on my eyelid it does. It's tight. I am liking this. So I always apply whatever shade I apply on top to the crease, I apply it to the lash line. Things keep getting in the way. My hand's getting tired from holding this palette. It's pretty heavy. Are you guys liking these new lights I got? Is the quality looking a little better or about the same? Okay, now we're gonna go in with Bahamas right here. Okay, this is definitely having more fallout. I'm gently applying it just to not ruin the rest of my makeup. Let's go in with Seychelles, is that what it's called? This one right here. We're gonna apply that shade Seychelles on the lid, if I'm pronouncing it right. So again, I'm just gently tapping it in. Now just to intensify the crease a little bit more, we're gonna go in with Cannes. How do you pronounce this? I'm so bad with pronouncing things. But whatever you want to call that shade, it's the purple one, okay? And just apply it right on the crease, like that. And apply some down here. So we're just applying the color in, and we are gonna blend it after. Alright, now we're just gonna go in with a little bit more of Seychelles on the bottom of my eye, just to give it some color down here too. I'm going to apply some eyeliner and lashes and I'll be right back. We'll put lashes, mascara, and some eyeliner, and this is the final look. How does it look? Pretty good, huh? Alright guys, so I went and had some dinner really quick. So my nose is probably ruined because I kept wiping it because I ate some spicy stuff. And of course I'm eating Cheetos again. Yes! Cheetos are just so good. For the final thoughts, I feel like this is a really good palette for you to buy. It has a good combination of some neutral colors, metallic, and brights if that's what you're into. Like I said, I've been sticking to more rusty type shades, but I just had to get this one. The colors are just so bright, and it's not always that Anastasia comes out with a palette with colorful shades in it. I hope you guys like these type of looks, and go ahead and let me know what you want to see next, okay? Peace.